So when we're constructing our dry wells, both the MaxWell and the MaxWell Plus, there's two different teams that come out to the job site to execute the work. The first team you'll see is our drilling team, and that's where you'll see our drill rig. We'll set up on site and physically drill into the earth at the prescribed depth that we're trying to achieve. During that time, our drill rig operator is constantly looking at the soil conditions as the soil is being pulled out of the earth to if we need to adapt in any way or if we hit permeable soil, we stop drilling and we notify the customer. If we need to drill deeper, we'll stop drilling and make a recommendation to the customer that we need to go a little bit deeper to get the percolation rate that the customer wants to achieve. From there, our build team will move on site once we finish drilling. And we recently redesigned our hole cover configurations with Oldcastle Infrastructure's help, and we're really excited about these new designs. We always prioritize safety, but this raises the safety standard across the drywell industry, and it's unmatched. So what's really cool about the new design is we're able to leave the hole cover on the open excavation when we pour rock because it has a graded lid. So the only time that lid is open is when we're physically setting the pipe. And during that time, we practice 100% tie-off, and the steel barricade keeps any employee at the proper distance from the open excavation. One of the first things we do is we lower the worm pipe, which is a black plastic pipe, and that's going underneath the precast dry well to whatever prescribed depth the open excavation or open dry well has. And then we'll set that worm pipe with rock so it is stabilized in the center of the excavation. And then from there we build the precast part of the dry well, which has the dry well components that remove pollutants, allow sediment to fall out, so the water that we infiltrate back into the aquifer is clean and can be used and preserved for future generations.